called it order, called it home. But I can hear the roots under your empire, under your boots. A green heart beating behind the wall, behind the steel. You left a wound in bloom. Now watch it open, watch it heal. I wore your mercy like a chain. I wore your silence like a crown. You built a cage around the rain. Now feel it coming down. Nature's wrath, come and see. I am the thorn beneath your decree. Nature's wrath, don't look away. I still love you as I break your day. Nature's wrath, take my hand. I was made to make this land stand. Your silver mask, your steady aim. You speak of peace and draw a flame. But every map you made erased the rivers, called it tame. I know you're faced by the doubts you keep buried way down deep. You want a world you can hold. I want a world that can breathe. I wore your mercy like a chain. I wore your silence like a crown. You built a cage around the rain. Now feel it coming down. Nature's wrath, come and see. I am the thorn beneath your decree. Nature's wrath, don't look away. I still love you as I break your day. Nature's wrath, take my hand. I was made to make this land stand. And if I fall, let the ivy know I fought for every buried row. If you must strike, then strike me slow.